Hi folks, welcome to Get This. I'm Dr. MM, and here's OneNote, episode 14. The Help tab, Show Training. OneNote now has a new tab called Help, nestled between View and Class Notebook. This tab includes some of the features located under Settings, which was the topic of another tutorial, plus this new one, Show Training, which is helpful in some kind of basic way. You can now know how to get started, take notes, format notes, draw and sketch, stay organized, and share and sync your notes with other people. Down here, there are other links that will help you as well. For the sake of this tutorial, let's explore this one, Get Started. Up at the top, there's a video that you can watch anytime without the need of going on the internet, right within OneNote. There are step-by-step directions as well with screenshots. Just as in the Help panel, you can click on the left arrow to go back to the other tutorials. Clicking on the home icon over here will take you to the main page of the Help feature. See? To get back to the training, you need to click on Show Training again. Okay folks, this brings us to the end of today's tutorial on the Help tab and the Show Training button in OneNote. I hope you make full use of it from now on. I'm Dr. MM, and I really want you to get this.